we don't know what is going on today, then we can't propagate that information forward, and we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Traditional instrumentation in the ocean goes back about 60 years or so. A large, complicated, very high price point, and are generally not connected. And as a result of that, we don't have a lot of data. And that is exactly what Spotter is trying to change.
Spotter is a next-generation wave and weather buoy to measure winds, waves, and currents. It has a marine-grade hull that can last for years in open ocean conditions. It can operate year-round sustainably on solar power. It has a persistent connection through satellite to the internet, and 10 to 50 times cheaper than a traditional instrument.
My name is Grant Washburn. I'm a big wave surfer and a filmmaker, and I've been surfing Mavericks for 28 years. The sport itself has really grown in those years, but also the information that we get. And most of it's not related to surfing. The information is created for shipping, and now we're able to pinpoint the data instruments and put them in a place that we really want them that isn't related to shipping and airports and whatnot.
When you look at Spotter, it's basically a piece of hardware. But included with that is a back-end and front-end system that allows seamless access to the data in real time. It allows two-way communication. You can change settings on the device anywhere in the world. And you can use the API that we provide to pull the data into models or your own website. That extra layer of integration is what I believe makes Spotter such a differentiator. We enable basically a much larger user group to participate. Recreational users, marinas, surfers. It makes it so much easier to get not only an instrument in the water, but also to actually get access to the data and assimilate that into better understanding, better models, and better ability to respond to events in the ocean.
It is estimated that 640,000 tons of fishing gear is lost or abandoned in our oceans every year, causing havoc to marine life and costing millions to clean up. Global initiatives are in place, building awareness to this issue, and Deep Trekker is proud to be part of the solution, making cleanup safer and more cost-effective. Using two ROVs in tandem, one can cut the gear free from entanglements, and the other can grab onto the cages and nets. Pulling them to the surface. Together, we can restore marine life and the health of our oceans. Learn more at deeptrekker.com.